Assalamu alaikum friends. Some of the Muslims around the world marked the start of Ramadan yesterday, and some of the Muslims will be doing it today. Over the coming month, people will pray and reflect during the day, and in the evening they will break their day-long fast. These difficult times call on Muslims to honor the values of Islam. Values like compassion, peace, love and care for others. And while there's no doubt that Ramadan this year will be different, but I believe that people will still find ways to bring its true meaning to life. I hope Muslim communities around the world will help their fellow citizens fight this pandemic even through the holy month of Ramadan by staying home and praying at home. So instead of having iftar with friends at the mosque or gatherings or community centers, get together with them online. Buy groceries once a week or less if possible, and even if you have to go out, stay at least 2 meters away from each other. We all do need to understand that this Ramadan will be different from normal, but by taking care of each other, by staying at home and reaching out to family and friends online, this Ramadan will still be full of hope, blessings, peace and prosperity. So please observe Ramadan while staying at home this year. On behalf of our family, Kareem wishes you and everyone celebrating a peaceful and blessed Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak.